Hey, it's me, Adam Maddox from Sterling Machinery Exchange. Let's get into it. Here's an ENGEL roll former, 8 stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each one of these are different tools, which will take your piece. When you roll your piece in here, you'll see these two different shapes. One side does one, the other side does a different shape. Both these two shapes will lock into each other. You can see that, they put them right into each other. We'll show you how that works. All you have to do, put your piece in there. Most roll formers are going to work this way. You can see the shape moving and changing as it's going down the line. There you go. Pretty cool, made a lot of different bends. Each one of these rolls made a different bend. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if this is the type of lock you're looking for, give us a call. Maybe this will work for you. Or check out another one. We have a lot of different machines in stock. We'd love to buy, sell, or trade with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.